Hi, this is Steve. Today we're doing some 10-hour maintenance on the lower saw guard. And the first thing we're going to do on our lower saw guard is we're going to clean it. And we'll just take some mineral spirits here, and we're going to put some on a paper towel and clean it everywhere. Get all the dust and pitch and everything off of that. And I'm just going to wipe all the surfaces, get everything off of that. And you'll see, you'll start turning brown. You'll see the sawdust that'll come off onto it. Now you want to have blown this off or vacuumed it off before this step. Okay, there's my outside. Now flip this over and do the inside. Okay. Like some stuff accumulated on there. Okay. Then I'll take another dry towel and make sure it's, wipe it off with a dry one. Okay. Next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take some paste wax. I'm going to wax it. There we go. And here's my paste wax here. It doesn't take much, just a little bit. And I'm going to wax this everywhere. All the surfaces. This helps protect it and helps keep sawdust from sticking to it. And also, it's just going to, this mechanism is going to move up and down a lot smoother when it's waxed. I'll do the inside here. And this last step I'm going to show you, this is actually the most important of all the steps. And that's we're going to push this all the way down. We'll just take a spring clamp and hold that down so I can access these rods here. And I want to make sure that I get those waxed really well, because it acts as a lubricant. We'll keep that sliding up and down nice and smoothly. And I actually want to get it on the back side of that rod, so I will actually put that underneath there. So I make sure I get some on the back side of that rod too. Okay. All right. Now I'll get my other cloth and buff it off. Now don't forget this step of buffing it afterwards, because if you do, then you will kind of defeated the purpose, because the wax that's on there that you haven't buffed off, well, then will actually attract dust. So make sure you buff it out. Okay. Here we go. Now we'll take our clamp off, and that should move nice and freely. Okay. So as I said, about every 10 hours, that's when you want to do this. All right. Thanks for watching. See you on the next one.